Hello, good morning everyone. This is Zach here. So if you are here with me, appreciate if you can help me to click the like buttons for me. Having to share this one as well so that we can actually reach more people. Okay, even though market is boring. All right, just a quick disclaimer over here. This section here, we are not doing any buy and sell calls. So if you want to trade any stocks based on discussion this morning, make sure you got own trading plan. If not, get advice from the professional. All right. So again, before even CNY, I think market has been in this condition, and I things have been repeated several times already. I think each time when we do this kind of morning live Facebook sections, 1590 crucial level, it cannot break. I think market will still remain the same. Okay, and then yes, looks like today it got to really going back to 1550 again. So short-term trading opportunity, I don't think is the right timing right now. Okay, as I emphasized, like I said, I already avoid most of the short terms. Okay, if you got cash, just put it in your portfolio. Okay, again today I got really nothing much. Not sure who is here with me right now. If you are here, comments there. Okay, any counters you want me to look into. But market's really bad. I thought that at least market will have at least some sort of technical rebound. Okay, after drop badly. But I've been dropped badly for 2 weeks plus already. Okay, I thought at least like a short-term technical rebound happened, but it just didn't really happen. Okay, so Nega yesterday get down. Okay, I think today also is stop trading until 10 a.m. later on, but we'll see how it goes. So okay, everything is in red. To be frank, everything is just so bad right now. Just wait for some technical rebound. Okay, one thing for sure is that if you look into the current market conditions, that lots of counter actually dropped to the bottom with some increasing volume. Okay, I think net gate is one of them. But again, net gate is from the top, so must be careful a bit. But Inari is actually from the bottom. But of course, wait for a double bottom at least, or maybe some sign of so-called reversal patterns. Okay, because sometimes even though yes, you got high volume, like I said, high volume representing there's potential change of trend. But sometimes what happens is that they will have even higher volume coming up later on. Okay, so you want to see at least a double bottom forming like this. Okay, probably will take another few weeks to 1 month time. Okay, or maybe reversal with pullbacks. Okay, so again, this one probably will happen also. Okay, so I think be a bit of patience. Okay, don't simply enter because the price is cheap right now unless you are looking for very short-term type technical rebound. Yeah lah, mostly it's not that great lah. Against I'm not sure what to update actually for today. I don't think lots of you S&P also continue goes down. Okay, so here is some of the stocks that from my alerts, but looks like nothing great. Okay, only Binapuri. Binapuri still hold well. Okay, but okay. Actually a bit risky. So all this is a bit illiquid stock. CBHB. Okay, all dropping already, but most of the IPO counter all I think kena also lah. SCT also, Copy also. I think yesterday there's one new IPO stocks, right? Is it Saliran? Okay, to be frank with you, nowadays I don't really follow lots of new IPO counter also because everything just so bad. Okay, so no really got point to follow closely already. Okay, Coform, okay, this one still hold well. The other one is Mega FB, I heard also dropped badly also. This one is also a new IPO counters from end of last year. Ooh, okay. All right, so I'm not sure any counters I'm gonna look into. If not, I probably just going to end my section in just a short 5 minutes. Okay, because really got nothing. Even though yes, some counters like for example LHI, yesterday is going up, but for me the edge is just not there yet. Okay, like today is if let's say enter yesterday, today dropped back already. Okay, of course it's good to monitor, but don't need to rush yourself to enter yet. Okay, so some counters I think like MSM also pretty good, right? MSM still hold well. So this is some of the counters that they say today also good. Okay, so like I say, if you got any counters that is nice, okay, just keep it on watch list. Wait for the at least KLCI to see whether it can test 1550, and hopefully it touch 1550. Later it will go back to 1590. All right. So MYOG also cannot hold the 20-40-day moving average. The other one is KJTS. Yesterday spotted this one very nice. Based on size, very nice, but market is damn scary. So no dare to enter. But this one is quite nice, to be frank. Pullback completed. Okay, so if you really want, support 1 ringgit. Okay, so this is a pullback signal. support over here. Today so far so good lah. So far so good lah. But a few days later I'm not sure because really market is just so bad right now. Okay, have to watch out and be careful lah. Don't need to rush. Okay, CH Ang, next support and resistance, price to buy. Wow. Okay, Zach, how about BM Green? Okay, BM Green also didn't really look into it for some time. Oh, wow. Okay, CH Ang still interested in NetGates. Okay, so of course, sometimes this kind of counters probably are good for a bit of long term. But again, remember, like I said the other day, some of the DC counters or DC team counters are not really that keen and interested because of afraid of this kind of thing happen. I think previous also got explained. All this is a sign of a potential distribution because of high volume. Price shoot the top. You see sudden spike in volume when the price going up, right? Have to be careful already. The next thing is that inverse pullback. Okay, so inverse pullback is something also you must watch out. Okay, then get how how in Hokkien is cry already. Okay, now let's start with FA first because to be frank with you, no point to look into short-term TA because it's bad. Okay, so like I say here, high volume, inverse pullback, break below support. Okay, so let's look into the analyzer. FA5 of 9 currently, not the highest, not the best. Okay, but maybe later on will be much more better. Okay, so let's look into weekly. Like I said, no point to look into daily anymore because unless you are those type that you drop badly, you like those like catching for enough one, you buy 3-4 bits, then you sell. Some of my friends do that. Okay, but nowadays they can also because last week also we come out and then one of my friends said, oh, now we owe them cheap, got to owe them cheap, they buy, but now drop further. Okay, so sometimes all this kind of thing you have to take into consideration. You are the one that who can count or not. My friend can really tahan. Sometimes what they do is that drop, buy more, drop, buy more, drop, buy more. One reverse, okay, they troubled with small profit. Okay, if you like that, you do that. Okay, so but if you are those that who are like for myself, I like trend trading. Okay, I like to see a certain trend forming, pull back, I buy. Okay, so I can write at least 10-15%. Okay, maybe in the 2 weeks period of time or 1 month period of time. Okay, I like to do that. Okay, so okay, but based on purely based on weekly chart itself, like I say, it's pretty bad. Okay, so here is a shooting star with high volume. Normally we don't like to see shooting star. Okay, this one's shooting star, but volume is high, but not that climatic. Okay, this is climatic. Okay, so this one is more impactful. Okay, but usually if I see this also is good to take some partial profit because sometimes the pullback can be a bit deep. Okay, but this one is not pullback anymore. Okay, yesterday issue is not pullbacks anymore. Okay, so okay, now if you ask me where is the next support, okay, if you really want to, if you say that, oh, okay, I still got confidence. This one also break already. I also don't know where to find support for you. To be frank with you, this one is the current price, but okay, I guess the best one. I guess the best one is probably somewhere around here already. 125 lah. Okay, somewhere around 125 lah. Weekly support lah. I guess it's somewhere around 125 already. Okay, now also they stop trading until 10 a.m. 10 a.m. later open, also not sure how. Okay, probably will get below this price. Okay, so probably you watch out this level or like I say, usually this kind of counter your best you wait for some at least a sideways movement. It dropped already, sideways double bottom. Okay, right now like S&P Tech lah, Inari lah, all this got high volume, right? I don't really want to enter first, but I wait for some sort of like a reversals forming or double bottoms. Okay, then you slowly plan your entry from there. I feel that's much more safer. Okay, but again, don't let me stop you if you think that this one is a good fundamental stock because I think they are linked with NVIDIA or some things. Okay, go for it. Okay, if you let's say you study the FA well, because to be fair, I rarely study FA. Okay, I only rely on this analyzer to tell me whether the rating is good or not. Like P method, I like it. Okay, I think I share with you a lot of time. It's 7 out of 9. Okay, but I still don't have to buy lah. But at least it's not too bad. If let's say a CP method. Okay, I look into BM Green, SSF, and Genting M. Genting M also a bit disappointing, but luckily I didn't rush to enter. Okay, actually last week I want to enter because the pattern is not too bad. This one also I want to enter, but I told myself no. This market condition double. Okay, enter upper mati lah. Am I right or not? Okay, now this is something that probably just want to share with you. Like for example here, I think previously somewhere around here. Okay, somewhere around here. Okay, yeah, I think these few candles if you notice, right, it drop. Okay, sometimes when they drop, right, double bottom, it will sideways for some time. So I'm not sure whether net gets all this scenario will have this kind or not. Okay, so for example here, the price drop from the bottom, like similar like net get all this, right, spike up. Okay, we got calamity volume drop, then even a higher volume come in. Hopefully you can see that. Okay, hopefully you can see that. So higher volume come in, then double bottoms and then sideways accumulation. Okay, so for me at least P method is an accumulation. Right? Somehow safer. Okay, Genting M also, but unfortunately it kept down further. So yeah, probably some of like all these kind of counters over here, like Inari, SRP, tag, all this, right? I'll wait for somehow like a double bottoms, or if let's say a reversal, we pull back nicely, then I will probably consider also. Okay, but right now still for me a bit risky. Okay, now let's look into BM Green. BM Green also in a nice so-called reaccumulation, but I didn't really follow actually. Oh, okay, still in the zone. Okay, surprise. This one still, okay, this one actually still boleh monitor. But if you ask me to enter right now, seriously, I know that. Okay, everything can happen. Market is like this, crazy, unpredictable, right? A lot of people predict market will rebound because have been dropped so badly. That's why all my friends also rush in to buy. That they drop a lot. But today continue. Today even worse for me. I think today even worse. Okay, so BM Green, okay, still in this so-called triangle patterns, okay. Nice reaccumulation, getting narrower. Of course, break above this trend line is a good sign. Okay, but right now still yet to decide the direction yet. Okay, of course, right now as a polar, you want to buy can. Okay, it's one of the safest area. Okay, but break below this level, you have to decide, especially with high volume. Okay, you have to decide the Ruku. I really cannot tell you now it's good or not because market is so bad. Even though some counters got operators, sometimes I do have some friends share with me as exact monitor this counter. Got people buying already. Okay, but the chat is not ready. Or what I can say is the market is not ready. Sometimes operators, yes, they are in certain counters, but when the market's too much sellers, right? There's no so-called reasons, okay, for them to push, okay, because whenever push people sell, they have to absorb the buying again. Okay, so you have to read, you have to know the overall sentiment also. Yes, BNG is triangle, correct. So I think this one is one of the counters that worth to put into your watch list and monitor further later on. Okay, so let's try SSF. SSF sudah lama tertengok also. Wow, okay, this one surprise, still good. Okay, this one surprise, still good. Wow, a big hammer. This one is when? Today. Oh, big wash. Okay. So, okay, now this one's still good. I can say this one's still good. Okay, surprise. I didn't really monitor SSF for some time because this one also previously I got someone told me that this one inside other operator. But unfortunately, I think I make first round money. Second round, I think I cannot shake out. I cannot stop loss. Okay. Yeah, sometimes smart money is like that. That's why shakeout is very, very useful also in this kind of market. Okay, so yeah lah. Sometimes it's like that. Enter already, but smart money they will like okay, make something that you think that you takut okay, then they shake you up. Okay, now let's go back to current chart. Okay, I think it's good. It's nice. One thing is that they are close to resistance. That's it. Okay, so Ismail, I'm not sure you're looking for entry exit. Looking for entry, risk reward is not good. Okay, but setup is good. I can tell setup is good. Okay, I personally I think I will monitor as well. Okay, I think this is a nice shakeout area to focus. Okay, previously we got a small one. They try to push but cannot. Here another big one. Okay, so it looks like they are retest. Maybe the new support will be around 36 cents. Okay, so I would think that buying somewhere around here is somehow more safer. Okay, SSF is on wave 4 of Elliott wave. Am I right? EW. Elliott wave. I'm not too good in Elliott wave. Okay, normally what I do is that I will use one spread analysis. Okay, or VCP market stages. Okay, to help me to tell. Okay, but okay, maybe you can say it's right. They are going into few wave already. Okay, so okay, what I can say is that setup wise, okay, in terms of the resistance. Okay, it didn't really show lots of weakness. Okay, like for example, net get very obvious, like some of the Gamuda, Suncorp, all this very obvious go up, spike volume. Okay, so this one is one of the distribution patterns, but this one I don't see that yet. But the only thing is that of course right now is at resistance. You know, market is like that. Market is so bad. Okay, so susah break resistance. Okay, so if you are looking for entry, I would say that 36 cents is a good deal. Around 36, I don't need to be exact. Sometimes some of my friends say, hey, you asked me to buy 36, but the price at 36 and a half. I cannot get. But this one, I mean, I cannot control, right? Price cannot control. So I just can tell you that this is a support area. Okay, good support areas. Okay, so this is SSF. Let's try Genting M can buy or not. After the gap down, I'm not interested anymore, to be frank. But I'm not sure whether they cover. Okay. Still tak boleh lah. Okay, unless okay, you say that okay, wow, do they drop further? Okay, this is the next so-called strong support lah, 1.85 lah, 1.85 lah. But looks like today also break lah. Am I right? Okay, the next weekly support lah, but okay, this one personally I don't like it. Okay, I don't like it. Normally got gap one, gap down with high volume. Normally I will avoid that because it's difficult. Most of my experience, of course, some is exceptional. Most of the time, it's a bit difficult to call back. Okay, or it will take some time, lots of time to call back. Okay, so here, for example, now one, but this is coming from top. Okay, a bit difficult to call back on this one. Okay, this one, okay, it covered for a few weeks, drop again. Okay, so that's why whenever got gap down high volume, especially the gap down candle is white, I would just totally skip. I think it's something like, is it Gamuda or Suncoin, all this IGM having all these kind of patterns one. It's not like, but okay, but like I say, this one a bit similar, like you know, those like a bit naked style. You see high volume, white candle, high volume top, and then inverse pullback. Okay, so this one also need to watch out. Okay, let's see. Is your analyzer reflect to current price? Yes, correct. This analyzer actually reflect to the latest price. So because we got include DA as well, so yes, we are using the latest price for our calculations. Okay, so let's see. BM Green, okay, done ready. Genting M, SSF. Okay, any other counters? Okay, I think today market is even worse. Okay, market is even worse. I'm not sure what to cover also today. Nothing like got money in your portfolio, just put it in your portfolio first. No need to rush. Still the safest. I think they say Mumu, right? If you are using Mumu, you can actually park into certain account, you can get at least some dividends. Also pretty good. Okay, mostly my trick signal because I want to check what counter dropped badly. So I put it past 1 year low. So it looks at lots today. Okay, nothing else. Okay, MSM. Let's try MSM. Last one before we close MSM I think still good overall because I was still watching this one. Okay, but today also yeah. Okay, now again gaps level. I will only interested once they're back to gaps again. Okay, but of course this one at least they are in some kind of like a sideway already accumulation. So for example here, okay, now this one is a bit similar to all these S&P tag, Inari, and some of the drop with high volume counters. I can recall there are a few actually these few days, like this. Okay, like this. Okay, but doesn't mean it will stop. Okay, sometimes like I say it will drop again. Another high volume candle, hopefully you can see that appears. Then only they start sideways accumulation. Okay, so I expect maybe Inari, S&P tag, and some of the high volume counters will move this way. Okay, so at least right now, MSM for me is an accumulation stocks. Accumulation, which means stage one market structure. So stage one, which means they will sideways for some times, then slowly going up. Okay, but this period sometimes will take months one. All right. For me, if let's say I want to look for momentum, okay. Now if you're looking for long term, assuming you're looking for long term, I think the next support is somewhere around this level over here, 1.08. Okay, maybe it's a good area for you to consider for long term. Okay, so analyzer wise, so good one. Maybe the price right now is a bit cheap. 8 out of 9. Okay, TA out lah. Okay, TA not so good. Huh? So if you are purely based on FA, looking for long term, FA wise is good. Okay. Now for me, I want to look for something more trending. Okay. 1.4 above maybe I will consider, because this is a gap area. Actually, they try to break already. Yes, they try to stay above, but I think markets is like very bad. So that's why they drop few again. But at least now holding on 20 MA. Okay, at least now holding on 20 MA. So okay, MSM done. Let's try MMAG. Ooh, this one's too good. Wow, also a big hammer. Okay, a bit similar like SSF, big hammer. Okay. Uh, okay, overall is good. I don't see any major weakness. Okay, I don't see any major weakness at the top here. Okay, not sure looking for entry exit. Okay, looking for entry, support. For 450. Okay, 450 is your support. Anything below here, be careful. Okay, if you are looking for entry opportunity, watch out this. Even you enter already, I think 45 is a crucial level. Okay, again, markets not so quite volatile now. There, like for example, Genetech also. This is the period support actually I'm looking into. Okay, a bit similar like your MMA. Okay, here going up, holding more around 2040s, but suddenly few drop below. Okay, and then the price start to go down already. Okay, so watch out to 45 cents support area. Okay, a bit similar Genetech. Okay, plantation of Hubsing JPG, please comment on this year good sectors. Okay, so yes, at least plantation is holding. Okay, now let's go into plantation stocks. Plantation and bank. So far, this is the two counters actually still very tahan. Okay, let's try plantation. The other day got shake out. How about today? Yeah. But still too early to tell. Okay, we need to see the closing first. Okay, towards the end of today. Okay, now this is a sideways shakeout. Okay, sideways shakeout. Okay, so if let's say today hammer, I think it's a good sign. Okay, for overall plantation sectors. Okay, so okay, now let's go into Hubsing. So far I noticed is yesterday SOP I think not too bad. Ta'an, is it Ta'an TSH? Okay, also not too bad also. Let's try. Wow. Okay, Dow trend. Okay, again you're looking for long term, short term. Short term, I don't think I can share with you anything lah. Okay, I don't think I can share anything unless you say that I want to aim for this kind of technical rebound only, the short term, few days rebound, which is I think okay because they are really far away from the 20-day moving average. Every time when they far away from the 20-day moving average, they'll rebound one. Okay, so yes, if you are aiming for that part, but if you're looking to buy and hold, no trend really. It's not really no trend. Okay, analyzer. Let's turn into my analyzer. 5 out of 9. Okay, not too bad, but neutral. Okay, right. So this one, unless I do see another spike in volume. Okay, this one previously got spike in volume. Okay, but price didn't hold. Okay, still drop below. Maybe you wait for the next one then. Okay, downtrend. Downtrend. Okay, like I said, unless you are buying for very long term, probably you can comment below and let me know. Okay, JPG, the last time I see is still going up. Okay, now this one also shake out. Okay, crucial level. Okay, so that's why I like to trade over shakeout. It's much more safer. So okay, JPG trend is still good. Okay, but they are doing a bit of a so-called shakeout right now, in my opinions. Okay, they are doing a bit of shakeout, in my opinions. So for me, I prefer to see them go back to this level for me to trade on the momentum. Okay, if not right now, I think the support somewhere around this area over here. Okay, this part over here. But even this support, I don't think is very so-called solid. Okay, it's not very solid. Oh, HS plan. Okay. Sure. HS plan. Yes, HS plan is good. Okay. So this one a bit similar inverse pullback. So must be careful also. Like I said, only trade when the shakeout complete. I think it's much more safer. If not, sometimes this kind of periods, right, it will drag for a period of time, for months. Okay, now this one is okay better. Okay, a bit similar like JPG also lah. Okay, they're kind of like trying to do a bit of a shake off somewhere around here. Okay, this one almost complete, but feel again drop. So yes, wait for that go back to this level first. Okay, it's like a shake off completes, then they will try to retest the main resistance. Okay, right now, if you enter right now, it probably will still range sideways. Okay, in betweens. Okay, all right, let's look into RGB. Okay, good. Market bet, you all still got monitor some counters. Okay, good. Okay, RGB, yeah, disappointing. Didn't hold well. Okay, here will be your previous support area, but unfortunately, it dropped. Okay, this one, they check weekly chart. Any weakness or not? Macam double top radio. Because last week also come with high volume. Okay, Joel, you are looking for entry exit. Okay, this one somehow a bit tricky. Okay, at the top, okay, we got high volume but no weakness. But this is also another round of support they are doing right now. Okay, let me know you're looking for entry exit. Because okay, this one to be frank, you're a bit tricky. I didn't see any. Okay, of course, here this part here, this few days, I don't see any like whether the strength in control or the weakness in control, because it dropped even though it's okay. Let me zoom in. Okay, it dropped. The candle is not white, but surprisingly the volume I can say is quite high. Okay, which is something that also I don't like it. Okay, because normally if let's say a healthy pullback, downbound volume should be low one technically, but this one looks like it's getting higher. Or the other thing is that maybe they will still continue to have some selling until the next support. Okay, probably this one you have to ask me again. Today is Tuesday. Maybe tomorrow Thursday we come back to check again, right? Because sometimes some candle or formations, right, need few days to understand further. Okay, like today happens really. Sometimes I don't really understand one. Okay, but of course some chart I don't understand, I avoid. Okay, unless there are more clear intentions, then yeah, I'll be more interested. Okay, like for example, okay, let's go back to Inari, something that's I'm interested because of the volume. Suddenly spike up. Okay, you can check using weekly also. You can see suddenly spike up, right? This is one of the highest. Now previously here, quite high, right? Okay, it changed the direction. So hopefully from here, I hope you change the direction back again. Okay, so but the intention is the setup is not there yet, so that's why I don't want to do actions. Okay, so sometimes like that. Sometimes when you see already, but somehow you don't really fully understand. We have to wait for a few more days. So maybe okay, RGB. Let's see that towards Tuesday, Friday, we can get more information on that. Okay. All right. Well, unfortunately, market is so for me it's still very bad. If you got money, got cash, in your account, I think it's a good thing. Okay. Rather than start in counters right now. Well, I guess that's it for today. So once again, thank you for joining me in this section over here. So if you like my daily morning section, help me to click the like buttons. Help me share this out to support me. Thank you very much. Join my Telegram. Yes, Telegram have been very quiet, especially this week. But again, if you spot something interesting, if you think that something that you want to ask, bring up for discussions, okay, put it over there. Okay, so that we have more discussion in the Telegram. All right, with this, thank you. I'll see you again next week.